Dear students, welcome to our another course, Principles of Programming Using C. In this course, these contents are covered: Introduction to Computer System, Algorithms and Flowcharts, Introduction to C, Operators, Control Statements, Functions, Arrays, Strings and Pointers, Structure and Unions, and File Handling concepts are covered. You can join this course by using our LMS app. Name of our LMS app is A2Lytics. This app is available in Google Play Store. Download this app, register yourself by using your name, mobile number and email ID. You can log into this app by using your mobile number, email ID and OTP. After login, you will find various courses. Search this course, Principles of Programming Using C, purchase it and start learning C programming. For more information, you can call to this number, or you can send a WhatsApp message, or you can send email to this email ID. In this course, you are going to get module-wise recorded videos, module-wise short notes, model question papers, question banks, PYQ solved question papers. Also, you are going to get module-wise doubt clearing sessions. The price of the course is just 100 rupees. You can purchase this course by using this given link, or just scan this QR code and purchase the course, or the link for the course is given in the description box. Click the link, purchase the course and start learning C programming.